Hey everyone, my name is Anerv Serene and I am an instrument-rated private pilot. In this video, we fly a Cessna 182 from New York to Key West. We knew we had a very long day ahead of us and wanted to get started as early as possible. By 5 a.m. we were on our way to the airport and wheels up by 6:30 in the morning. The early morning views on our way to First Flight Airport were absolutely amazing, as it gave us a chance to fly above and through clouds. After arriving at First Flight Airport, we walked over to the monument and then shortly thereafter departed for our next stop, Myrtle Beach. The flight to Myrtle Beach was uneventful. We really just needed an airport to fuel up and to grab a bite. Thankfully, the Myrtle Beach FBO had a car for pilots and affordable fuel. As soon as we wrapped up lunch, we made our way down to Brooksville Airport in Florida. Myrtle Beach to Florida was one of the longer legs of the trip, coming in at just under 4 hours. As soon as we entered Florida, we had to dodge a lot of clouds and avoid areas of heavy rain. After a safe landing and a quick fuel stop, we were on to the final leg of our trip, Key West. The flight to Key West was one of the most scenic and unique flights I have ever done. It was a long flight and a lot of it was in the clouds and above water. However, every now and then the sky opened up and it felt like we were floating on clouds. As we got closer to Key West, the scenery completely changed and we started seeing turquoise blue water. We were soon clear to land and had the most incredible view at landing, the sun setting right on the horizon. We were guided to the General Aviation Terminal, and after securing the aircraft, we were on our way to the hotel, with an amazing adventure in the books. A few days later, we packed up our bags and headed back to New York. On the final leg of the flight, we had an opportunity to fly fairly low as we crossed over the Hudson and flew right past the Statue of Liberty, the Freedom Tower, and the GW Bridge. Nearly 20 hours of flying time later, it was a trip I won't forget anytime soon.